Say hello to the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2, a game changer in wireless audio. These earbuds are all about personalized sound, unmatched noise cancellation, and all-day comfort. Let's take a closer look at why these earbuds could be your next favorite accessory. First off, Bose designed these earbuds with a fit that's as unique as you are. Included in the box is the Bose Fit Kit, featuring 3 sizes of soft silicone ear tips and 3 stability bands. This ensures a snug, secure fit, so you can wear them comfortably all day, whether you're working, commuting, or hitting the gym. Noise cancellation is where these earbuds truly shine. Powered by Bose proprietary active noise canceling technology, the QuietComfort Earbuds 2 intelligently adapt to your ears for personalized sound performance. This means you'll enjoy immersive audio no matter where you are. Flexibility is key with these earbuds. The single earbud listening feature allows you to use just one earbud for calls or music while the other charges. Perfect for multitasking or staying aware of your surroundings. With the intuitive touch interface, controlling your earbuds is effortless. Adjust volume, toggle noise cancellation, and play or pause your music, all with simple swipes and taps. No need to reach for your phone. When it comes to battery life, the QuietComfort Earbuds 2 offer up to 6 hours of continuous listening. The compact charging case provides additional charges, and if you're in a hurry, just 20 minutes of quick charging gives you up to 2 hours of playback. Thanks to Bluetooth 5.3 technology, you'll experience a seamless connection with your devices. The earbuds even remember up to 7 paired devices, making it easy to switch between them without reconnecting every time. Durability is another highlight. These earbuds are designed to handle sweat and light rain, making them an excellent choice for workouts and outdoor activities. The Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2 deliver in every way: personalized noise cancellation, premium sound, and unbeatable comfort. Whether you're a music lover, a professional on the go, or just someone who values great audio, these earbuds are worth considering. Want to grab a pair? Check out the link in the description and pinned comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. See you in the next video.